everyone. How are you all? Hopefully all of you are doing well. So it's Chatney from Super School. Yes, welcome back to my channel. Now, today what are we going to discuss? That's the problem. We cannot discuss because you're not here. So if you really think that I will be able to help you out in learning English language, then please follow my page and join my course. I can promise you it will be an economic investment. Trust me. So please let me know if you're willing to join the online course with me. And I want to begin our today's topic. So let's begin. Today I'm going to discuss adjective. So what is an adjective? An adjective is a part of speech. It's very important when you are trying to describe something in your speech or in any content that you are writing. So it also helps you to enhance the standard of your vocabulary if you use higher standard of adjectives in your sentences or in your writing tasks. So that's why I thought that I should let all of you know that you can use multiple number of adjectives in a sentence to describe one single noun. Yes, you heard me right. You can use many adjectives together in a sentence, but it will make sense. And how is that possible? Let me show you how is that possible. So in the table on the screen, you can see that I have divided the table into 3 columns. Order relating to examples. Order means the order of adjectives. Relating to, that means what is it describing, and example of adjectives. So first one is opinion. Usual, lovely, beautiful. Size. Big, small, tall. Third one, physical quality, thin, rough, untidy. Fourth one, shape, round, square, rectangular. Number 5, age, young, old, youthful. Number 6, color, blue, red, pink. Origin, Dutch, Japanese, Turkish. Material, metal, wood, plastic. Type, general, purpose, four-sided, U-shaped. That's type. And then purpose is cleaning, hammering, cooking. So number 9 is type and 10 is purpose. Okay, so now look at the example that I have prepared according to the table to make you understand how you can use so many different adjectives in a sentence to give your listener a visual imagination. Last year, I visited Italy, where I saw lovely, small, thin, round, old, red, Dutch wood-shaped cooking table. See, so many adjectives together. And yet, you didn't see the table, but you can imagine it in your head. And trust me, at least it will have 60 to 70% resemblance with the real one. So yeah, that's the magic of adjective. So that's about it. And if you really think that my videos are helping you, please like and subscribe my channel and also join the course that I am offering. So it's a short course for 2 months. Start it. Get to know that what I have in my bag for you. Please do like and subscribe my channel, follow my page, and come for a free speaking session where you will have a short meeting with me to understand if I am capable enough to help you or not. Thank you so much.